The temperature of matter is a direct measure of the motion of the molecules. The greater the motion, the higher the temperature. When studying the flow of energy during a chemical reaction, we need to distinguish between the system and the surroundings. The system is the small, clearly defined part of the universe that's actually being studied. The surroundings are made up of the universe and even the container in which the reaction is taking place. To clarify, the mixture of chemical substances that undergoes a reaction is always the system, and the flow of heat can be from the system to the surroundings or vice versa. All matter has unique properties that distinguish it from other matter. There are extensive properties, which are properties that change when the size of the sample changes. Then there are intensive properties, which do not change when you take away